Hi, from now on we will start creating our portal material and render target textures. But before doing that, I'm gonna help us to organize our work a little bit more. What I'm gonna do is just create a folder here and call it portal. I'm gonna drag in this portal actor in here. I'm gonna go to the portal folder, and so if you look to the right, I'm having a reference project here, and we need to render target textures. I'm gonna also very shortly explain what these are. Basically, it's very simple. If you look at these capture components we are having here, this is the scene capture component. It's a type of camera that snapshots whatever it sees in the screen. It's doing it continuously and live. And whatever it sees, it will actually paint that or draw that onto a texture. So this is a texture called render target texture. So whatever the camera sees, it will paint it onto this texture. The good thing with this is that we can attach this texture to any material we want to see that result, the result of whatever the camera is seeing. You will see this in action very soon and understand this better. What you just need to understand here is that the render target texture is something the camera is painting on continuously, drawing whatever it sees. We can then use that to attach it to materials. We will, of course, make use of this to create the illustration of, the portal and where the portal will lead to. So if you look into this portal, you will see the actual drawing of where the actual portal will lead you. Let us just play this, in a reference project so you can see what I mean with this. If you look to the left, I'm having a portal. And if you look here, I'm actually live seeing where the portal actually leads us. This is actually to the other portal, the view from the other portal. So if you go out here, you will get into that location. But look here, it is actually this location we are seeing here. If you look forward from here, you can see that this is the wall and this is the cube. And if you look from here, well, I need to go a little bit to the left so you can see that cube, but I think you're seeing it from here. And going to the right, you can see that wall I just looked at. And there is the other portal. So it's just a reflection of the area the actual portal is leading to. So that is the render target texture we are showing here. The actual portal is having a material, but that texture is attached to this material. So we are actually seeing the result of that texture here. Okay. So the end result will become like this. So if you look at the door here, you can see that it uses, let's see if I can find it. It's using a material here. This material in turn is using the texture I just talked to you about. Okay, I'm not going to go into details now because we are going to create the material itself and render target texture. So I just wanted to clarify this. So let's start with creating some render target textures. Let's see. So I'm going to place them in the blueprint portal folder. So I'm going to right click, go to texture, and it's called, let's see, render target. This one, texture render target 2D. And I'm going to call it RT P1. We can just duplicate this, and it should be named RT P2. I'm going to save all. And I think I'm gonna keep this video quite short actually. So what I just want to do is now I'm gonna create the material, but we are not really going to fully implement it now. We are gonna do that in the next lecture. So let's right click, go to material. I'm gonna call it m_portal. We are just gonna do some minimal configurations. And before doing anything, you need to set this material domain to, let's see, it should be surface, but the blend mode should be, I think, translucent or masked. Let's see what I'm using here. It shouldn't really matter it shouldn't really matter so much. I'm going with translucent, but it should work with the other one, masked as well. But so let's go with translucent to stay consistent with what I'm having here. And the shading model, it should be unlit. We need to get in a texture sample. And you can connect this to emissive. Let's see. You can just delete this, keep the texture sample like this, and we can what we need to do is really because we are gonna use a portal, we need to paint it. So I'm gonna select the portals texture here. It's currently not really showing anything because we haven't really connected the pins. We will do that soon enough. We can just connect this to opacity. It will really be invisible. Make sure to select, let's see, if you select down here, select the plain one. Let's see, plain. Set the preview mesh to plain primitive. So currently it looks like this. We will of course fix this, but we will also need emissive colors. So let's see. We can add a render target texture. Let's see what I can do about this. I think this is good for now. We will continue with this in the next video. I don't want this video to focus so much on the creation of the material. I want to do that in the next one. So I'm going to keep this short. Thanks for watching, and we will continue with this in the next video. Bye for now.